Here at Wheeler Fleet, we not only provide parts, but we provide solutions to our customers with our unique capabilities. I'm Bryce McClay, Director of North American Sales. We are solutions driven. We build strong relationships and partnerships with our customers to drive uptime in their business with our unique capabilities and our extensive product offering. We support the automotive and heavy duty markets, including our commercial fleet customers, our e-commerce customers, and the United States Postal Service. We at Wheeler Fleet Solutions understand our customers' friction point in the automotive aftermarket, the need for uptime, quality parts, and the need to reduce maintenance costs and drive uptime in their business. What differentiates us is our in-house engineering department, which includes 3D printing, our CAD design, our research and development department, and our quality control. An example of this is our largest vocational customer came to us with a problem on their hoses not lasting. We sourced higher strength hoses for them, giving them the solution they needed to keep uptime in their vehicles. Our customers trust us because we're not just providing parts, we're providing solutions and product availability.